We also wanted to dig a little deeper into our local hospitalization data. So just yesterday, Spokane Regional Health revealed it is no longer reporting which county COVID patients are from. And many have wondered how that's going to fit in under the governor's new reopening plan because hospitalizations play such a role. So it's been an important distinction in the past because it's how the state and the local health districts gauge if our hospital system was getting stressed or where those patients were coming from. But Spokane Regional Health says as case numbers started to rise, that data was actually not as accurate as they wanted it to be. Also, where a patient comes from doesn't really reflect the current situation. So because of high case volumes, the health district is now focusing its efforts on the total number of COVID patients in our local hospitals. In a statement today, the health district told KREM the total hospitalization numbers are more important to watch, not only out of concern for our hospital's capacity, but also because this is the metric that will be evaluated with the new phase system. Now that is especially important now because of Governor Inslee's new Healthy Washington plan, which we are part of the East region. As we have told you, it's part of 9 different counties here in Eastern Washington. The hospitalization data we know is a critical factor in determining when we can move on to phase 2. It's also very important to note, though, that while the district is still tracking that information, the data itself that you go and look for on the website may be delayed by several days.
Good information there. So let's look at the current numbers today. Spokane Regional Health District reporting 633 new COVID-19 cases today alone. It is the third highest single-day case count that we've had since the pandemic began, and it brings us to 29,205 cases total. There were 6 new deaths to report tonight as well, a total of 405 deaths since the pandemic began, and there are 119 hospitalizations in Spokane County.
In North Idaho tonight, the Panhandle Health District is reporting 222 new cases as well as 1 new death. Currently, 94 residents of Idaho's 5 northern counties are in the hospital.